What if I told you that this stew was made with cucumber? Would you believe? See, don't let the hike in tomato and pepper give you a headache. Know that you can make a soup or stew without tomato. So take a seat and let's dive into the unique and super delicious recipe of today. And it is called cucumber stew. First, prepare your ingredient. Here, I'm using vegetable oil, chopped onions, then sliced onions. You're going to know why I did it like that. Then we have ginger, garlic, and crayfish. Moving on is a dry chili pepper. You can as well use scotch bonnet depending on your preference. Then I have the last onions with tinned tomato, thyme, seasoning, curry, and salt. I'm using fresh horse mackerel fish, otherwise known as kote. You can use any protein of your choice. And finally, the superstar ingredient of the moment, cucumber. I'm using 3 big ones. So you're going to gently peel the skin, but mind you, you're not going to throw the peeled skin away. I'm going to show you what we're going to do with it in a bit. Once you are done peeling, slice and remove the seed in it. Chop it into small sizes for easy blending. Then you blend it with little water. Pour it into sieve and sieve the water out. You can see our cucumber paste is forming. Yeah, it's really exciting. Then for the water, do not throw it away. You can sweeten it, add some ice cubes, and drink it as a juice. Moving on, blend your onions and pepper. Now this is the time we've all been waiting for. Start by boiling your protein, add seasoning and let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. Mind you, all ingredients are in the video description. And also, if you are liking this content so far, please hit the subscription button. That is the only way you can encourage me to do more. Thank you so much. You see that peeled cucumber? I blended it because I want to use it to fry egg. You can even use it to make a mini stew. It is up to you, but do not throw it away. And for the water, I drank it also. Super healthy. It's amazing what you can do with cucumber. The fish is ready. Let's start making our stew. The oil goes in first, same as the sliced onions. Then add your blended onions and pepper before pouring your cucumber paste into it. Equally add your tinned tomato and mix well. You can see the face of the stew changed immediately, making it look so nice. Now add the fish stock. Mix and check the taste before adding your seasoning, crayfish, garlic, ginger, curry, thyme, and salt. Finally, add your protein and mix. You might love to fry your fish, but I already added loads of oil in the stew. I'm not a oil person, and like I always say, there is no one way to cooking. Now our cucumber stew is ready. Look at that! Can you even believe it? Try this recipe and give me a feedback, please. I would love to hear from you. You can as well share your view in the comment section, and do not forget to like, share to people about your new discovery, and also subscribe for more amazing content like this. And if you don't mind, check out the onion sauce video I made with 0 tomato. The video is popping up at your screen right now. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye.